are bilingual or just learning a new language, it's a good idea to have several languages installed on Windows 10. That way you can swap between them and type in each language. Here I'll show you how to install a new language pack and how you can easily change input languages in Windows 10 without needing to click anything. First of all, you are going to need to install a new language pack. These are bundles of data that let Windows 10 know how to type and display the language. By default, your computer doesn't come with every language pack installed to save space. There's no point in installing every language in the world if the user just wants one. To install your desired language, click on Start button, then click the settings on left. Now click on Language and Time. Now on left, click Language. Now add a new language. Search the language you want to add. You may find the multiple entries appear depending on the language you select. For instance, if you type in Spanish, you will find the different regions that speak it. Now let's download Spanish. Once you have selected language, click Next. Windows 10 will ask you to which data you want to download. Make sure Install Language Pack is clicked at the very least. See here, as we can see that we have ticked the language Install Language Pack box and click on Next. The download will start and leave it then. Download of the language, your PC will once restart or you have to do it manually, and you will find here in the right bottom corner a box featuring the language you have downloaded. When you click on it, you will see the language you have got downloaded. For my instance, I have downloaded English and Spanish, so my input is not taken in Spanish, but the icons and many apps names are shown in Spanish, as you can see here. It's in English, so let's change Spanish. As you can see, it's all coming out in Spanish. So this was a video, guys. Hope you find it informative. Click on the like button, share button, subscribe this channel for more updates on tech. Guys, if anything goes wrong, just comment down in the comment section. I would like to help you. Okay, then bye.